is a great start because that's one of the segments that's doing so well in India. So to have a mid-size SUV is one of the best things to have right now. In terms of the features, in terms of the finish, in terms of projecting to the Indian audience what Kia is all about, the Seltos is really on the money.
Full marks to Kia for this first debut product.
The main feature will be the Tiger Nose grille that's going to get a lot of attention, but more so I think the fact that you have really cool lighting elements around the car, that's going to certainly be very well appreciated.
You've got these elements which you can associate with luxury cars. You look at the dials, the main central screen. There's a very high feel-good factor to this car. You feel happy that you're going to spend this money and you have this.
I loved the 10-inch screen on it, the HUD display, and then you've got another 8-incher right in the console where the driver sees it. So it's a cockpit that you're sitting in.
Especially a head-up display is always one up. It shows you speed data, it shows you traffic information. I think that is something that no other HUD in a lot of other segments don't provide you.
So when you turn on the indicator, there is the entire view of the road behind you. So that eliminates a blind spot completely.
The touchscreen, the Bose audio, that source quality is mind-blowing. Plus the air purifier, it's mood lighting, according to the sound. It's not gimmicky and it sort of fits in with your everyday life.
I like your voice. You was pretty responsive compared to the other competitors in the market because this was working properly. I got calls from them. Even I could find locations on that very easily.
Good driving position, seating position, good tactility, feel. So when you have all these things, which you got to be in a good frame of mind when you get behind the wheel.
One of the most spacious cars in its category. And even at the rear, even with the seats pushed back, even with that, there is a lot of space behind.
And features like the seat cooling is literally required for a place like South where I'm coming from.
And while I am a diesel lover, I have to say the 1.4 GDI is the one that won me over on this particular product. It's fast, it's peppy, and just a wonderful piece of machinery.
The petrol is quite refined and very peppy. I think what really helps is the dual clutch gearbox, which is quite quick, gives it a very effortless sort of feeling.
Well, I think the diesel is very refined. I thought it was a petrol initially when I drove it because it was so quiet inside the cabin. So it was only after I looked at the rev gauges like it's a diesel.
The big petrol and the big diesel, they are pretty much, really speaking, what will define the heart of the bulk of sales, actually speaking. And both are very, very good.
And I think it's one of the few cars which can claim, to be both a highway car as well as a city car because the suspension tuning has been done very well. And I think it's a great value proposition because this car is already BS6 compliant while the others are still running on BS4. So when April 2020 comes and they shift to BS6, they'll have to raise their prices while this car is already available at a price which might seem a little expensive to some people right now, but after 6 months when others raise their price, this one will look like great value at that time.
I think the competition will have to pull up their socks because the amount of features that the Seltos brings in, these are features that you expect and see on like much more premium cars.